Good morning and welcome to another episode of Health Concerns. I am Dr. Bowen, the Chief Medical Officer attached to the Ministry of Health here in Jamaica. Our topic today is skin bleaching. Over the past years, we have noticed a rise in this skin bleaching phenomenon. Doctors and dermatologists have reported increased cases of skin scarring, skin cancers, skin deformation, and the list goes on. But is the public aware of the fatal effects of this bleaching epidemic? We at the Ministry of Health took to the streets to sensitize the public about the fatal effects of the skin bleaching phenomenon.
I believe skin bleaching is bad. I'm aware of the many side effects of skin bleaching. For instance, I have read numerous articles that it can lead to skin cancers. I'm aware that it lightens the skin. Actually, I can see visual appearances of persons on the street. I literally see their veins at times, and this definitely can be something. I wouldn't be silent. I definitely will be vocal because I am totally against it. Of course, I would let them know the side effects, as I'm not an advocate of skin bleaching.
Yes, I know what bleaching is. No, I haven't used bleaching products on my skin, but I do it for people. People come by me and they want the service, so I provide it. Effects of bleaching, not really. Nothing negative. The girls want to look pretty, they want to look fairer, they want their skin to look clear, and they come for it, so I give them. I think I will continue because this is how I make my money. The girls want to look pretty, they want to look like beauty stars. Some of these things are they real tests to prove that they do that? These bleaching cause these things. I'm going to do it. As long as I don't get in trouble with the law, I'm going to continue. I've used it in the past too. As far as I'm concerned, it may be so. But in times past, you look at society, we tell people smoking is wrong, they continue smoking. And that's how I make my money. As long as the service is needed, I'm going to continue providing it. I'm sorry.
Yes, I know what bleaching is. Yes, I have. Yes, I have bleached before. I have used products like Septol and Biohead on my face. No, I am not aware of the negative effects of bleaching. I know that it makes your skin lighter, fairer, more attractive, sort of. It reduces the marks from your face. What I would certainly like to read the articles or view the documentaries which you have to support these claims, and having read them, maybe I may consider not using the products anymore. No, I think I would share the articles or the readings on effects.
Yeah, I mean, skin bleaching is about most of them girls who seem to like the skin. As far as I see, they use it because to look prettier. Some of them girls ugly, and find the others use it just to look prettier. That's what I find about skin bleaching. Well, I think about the negative effects because when I heard from personal experiences that they can't stay in the sun too long, so they have to hide and cover themselves. And as far as I see, when you bleach, it does look more ugly because around your eyes it look black, and all your lip and thing does look ugly. So yeah. I wasn't aware that skin bleaching had all these negative effects. I mean, well, mostly girls are not doing it, and I believe that if they knew about these effects, I don't think they would be doing it themselves. Well, for one, if I meet one of my friends using skin bleaching, I will tease him. I might call him cartel because part of the bleaching skin just to get light or to see tattoo perhaps. So I will tease him at first, but then I will sensitize him of the negative effects of skin bleaching. Let him know about the effects and what it causes to your body.
Yes, I do. Skin bleaching is a process where you make our skin lighter by using makeup products. Well, it has its benefits and also has its negatives because in this modern world, it's hard for a black person to get a job, and I understand why some people do it. And also, it must have negative effects because once you're tampering with your skin, it must have negative effects. But I never knew skin bleaching has such detrimental effects. And from now on, I'll try to sensitize my friends and the public of the effect that it has on them and on their body and the system.
Yes, I'm aware of it. Well, yes, I do. Anything that affects the natural composition of the human body, I think it would be dangerous to have some negative effect of some kind. Because I think it is primarily focused on the skin per se, I would definitely think that someone will have two-tone skin color, so one part of the body may be of a different color than the other or lighter. I think that it will affect the skin's elasticity. It will lose pigment, that sort of stuff. Well, thank you for enlightening me on this information because I was not aware that bleaching could have actually contributed to kidney failure and cancer and so on. I just thought it was just basically the surface of the skin that would have been affected and nothing more.
You're telling me not to bleach, but everybody I know bleaches.
The disturbing trend of skin bleaching in Jamaica is on the increase across the whole of the island. Although its practice is mainly found in the poorer inner city garrison communities, where unemployment and the lack of basic literacy is rife, and where the ethnic majority of these communities are of African descent. The creams are illegal to buy over the counter, but their availability is now more accessible than ever. The Jamaican government is having a hard time stemming the flow of these products from entering the country. And now the practice of bleaching, which was once exclusive to women, has now spread to men and children. I wanted to find out more about the impact of this growing trend. My search led me to the garrison community of Torrington, where I talked to a family of bleachers and learnt more about why they do it. When did you first start to use bleaching creams?
Around 10 years now.
10 years? And you've used it consistently for 10 years?
Yeah.
Why do you think it got popular when people first started to do it?
People start bleach, them just like the style. It's just the style. Cause I came to the derma college, every time I go in my quarrel. Miss Maris, this way you need to stop doing it. It's going to damage on your body. It's going to eat out on the skin after.
If you did know someone in your community that had skin cancer, would that make you stop?
Yes, me really see somebody where it do, I really stop because I don't want it to do me that.
I know you let your daughter bleach. Do you not have a problem with her doing it?
No, I don't have a problem with her.
Even for their own health reasons? Nothing?
No, Michelle, I don't have no problem with her. If I bleach long time, I can't count too much years. I bleach and stop and bleach and stop. So they give me a bus from my hand.
Some patients apply it around the eyes, which can lead to glaucoma. But if they apply it to their whole body, they can absorb enough steroid cream that can lead to diabetes or high blood pressure or something we call Cushing syndrome, where the face becomes round and you develop a pad of fat at the back of your head and the back of your neck, and this can be quite disfiguring.
Do you think the creams should be illegal? Because they're illegal to buy here unless they're on prescription.
It sell in the wholesale in my town. And them catch me in the wholesale buy this, I'm going to lock me up. When I go in there, when I buy it out. People them know what bleach from now wholesale. Because if them sew gloves up, them know say rubbings will come by. Not no sell all that town like rubbings and ear and clothes. Even food no sell all like bleaching. I lay up every day I talk, say, oh, if you have 150, we are going to go buy one of them. Yeah. Them say beauty bring pain, you know, and style one, so I have to bear it.
We believe that by removing the melanin artificially, the cells in the skin become more susceptible to the damaging effects of ultraviolet light on them, and this can lead in years to come to an epidemic of skin cancers.
My whole body, my rub with it, my whole entire body.
Every day?
Every day.
You know it can cause skin cancer.
That is true, the doctor tell me that. Because it give me something in my face right here, so.
And you still didn't stop?
Yeah, but them time I was using the gel. You have man prefer when you bleach, you have some that prefer. You have some that like when you bleach, no time at all. The two choice. But right now the man them take it over from the woman them completely. Man them whiter than we.
Man them bleach too. Attract the girl them. That them can get more girl and them things.
So how long have you been bleaching for?
From about 13.
And you do it every day?
Yeah, 2 times a day.
And you rub everywhere or just your face?
Just my face.
If you ever go to the streets of Kingston, you'll find a lot of girls they call vampire. Their skin cannot take the heat of the sun, and so they only go out in the early mornings or at night, because the skin itself is so sensitive to sunlight. And these people actually face a very serious problem.
Can you go out into the sun?
Yeah, I'm going out the sun off. I walk up and down, the sun have nothing to do. As I'm saying, walking out the sun, you sweat, it better for your skin, peel off more better. If you're cool, you not do nothing, not jerk you. For bleach now, we come out now, we have our socks, our tights, and pants, and sometimes we have all 4 shorts. Even from this. 4 of them things, yeah, whole gloves up. Then we have to take all the plastic and wrap up our skin, come way up, our belly. So you know, so walk now, we sweat, and by 5 minutes now, just take it off. Go in the bathroom, and warm water. Lean back in it, so the dead scalp them rise off. So you know, so later the dance, so we that in the video. But they can't talk to you again white.
If you could have been born brown, would you have been, or would you have been born the way you are? If you had a choice?
As if we say, if you have a color, but still a tone. I mean, people in you have a color, still tone. So it make no sense.
So it's like a fashion thing.
Right. But every time they're born, you know, you just say, stop rubbing and by next week again, I do that.
People believe that if you have a fairer skin, it's easier for you to get a job, it's easier for you to get business breaks, it's easier for you to get married, etc. I've had patients, for instance, telling me up front, you're telling me not to bleach, but everybody I know bleaches, so something must be wrong with you. It's very simple. If you sit down with smokers, they'll tell you nothing's wrong with smoking.
As I left Jamaica, I was saddened by what the Morris family had shown me and alarmed at how acceptable this dangerous practice has become. But given the many arrests for the sale of bleaching lotions in Britain, it seems they might be a tiny part of a worrying global trend.
We hope that we have enlightened you about the dangers of skin bleaching. As was previously said, skin bleaching causes skin cancer, hypertension, kidney failure, diabetes, skin scarring, skin discoloration, and deformation. Remember, not every trend that comes out in society must be followed. We need to be independent thinkers and not follow what other people do or say. I hope that we have informed you well, and with this information, we will not continue to be advocates of skin bleaching. Thanks for joining us, and remember, our health matters.